Hello, my people. Is Kenneth Okonkwu still living in bondage? I thought he had been freed from it. You need to understand that not every Igbo man suffers from Kenneth Okonkwu's slave mentality. Kenneth Okonkwu is a product of adult education. That is why he cannot differentiate between criticism and defamation of character. He is a man suffering from Civil War defeat syndrome who believes that the only way to achieve political success is by selling out his brother. Don't get me wrong. You can criticize someone, but don't bring your second-class mentality that an Igbo man cannot become president simply because we lost the war. Who told you we lose the war? Who told you we lost the war? We didn't lose the war. Even the almighty US would lose a war if the whole world descended on them the way they descended on the Igbo in 1967. Since Igbo politicians have followed Kenneth Okonkwu's style of selling out, I asked them, why can't they be accepted by others the way Peter Obi is widely accepted? Peter Obi's glory comes from the fact that he is not seeking political success by casting his people aside. You can be successful without bringing others down, or without insulting people to be politically accepted by the Yoruba and the North. Because these people are not doing the same thing Igbo politicians has been doing. And yet, they are not trusted. Because he who says his brother will never be trusted by the buyer. In life, either you are on the table or on the menu. And Peter Obi has chosen to be on the table. And that is his crime. And that is the reason for his hatred by his own people. I ask Igbo politicians, where has Joe Igbokwe's political loyalty and career ended him up today? Where is that number 2 powerful man in Nigeria, Benjamin Kanu? Where is Nnaya Nwudo? Where is Chief Priest and others who are following in their footsteps? There must be a consequences for your action, and 5 billion court case is Kenneth Okonkwu's sin. He must pay that money so that others will learn. Thank you, and may God bless all of you.